Good evening. Good evening. What? Good evening. Good morning. Jesus. Woo. Getting tired already. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. We are December 20th. Yeah, December 20th. So welcome. Last live stream of the year. Just like how exciting is it? Not planning on taking any trades today. Look at this. My PC is closed. So yeah, not planning on taking anything here. And yeah, just gonna break down charts from today. If you guys are interested in some setups, but I took a pretty good win yesterday. I didn't plan to trade this week, but if you watch Forex Talk Over Beer Friday night, you know that is something that I was waiting for. I think we broke it down. I'm pretty sure we did broke it down on Forex Talk Over Beer. That was actually waiting for, and this happened. So we're gonna actually break it down, so you're gonna be able to see it. All right. So first thing first, before we get started, making sure that sound is loud and clear. Can anyone confirm on YouTube? And as you come in, hopefully you guys hearing me. As you come in, make sure to smash that like button. Like I did explain in the last couple weeks, I'm doing a little comeback on the live stream. I kind of stopped for a little while, and yeah, so the algorithm doesn't push my way anymore. So I'm gonna need your help. Smash the like button, guys, because we need to build back the audience. And yeah, so let's get going. Let's bring up the chart. Hopefully, can anyone confirm on YouTube, please? I know there's people there. Just need one person to confirm. Sound is loud and clear. Don't be shy.
Hopefully, sound is loud and clear.
Um, uh, yeah, I'm being a little stupid this morning. All right, so let's see if anyone. Um, let's change this banner right here. Boom, here we go. Perfect. And by the way, if there's anyone having a question in French, it'll be my pleasure to explain it and translate in English. Donc, si vous avez des questions en français, ne vous gênez pas, ça me fait plaisir d'y répondre et de transférer en anglais. Yes, sir. Thank you, Havy. Havy. Sorry, I hope I didn't messed up your name. All right, cool. So, enough talking, more trading, right? All right, so let's jump into it. Bam. All right, so first thing first, let's take a look at GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, can you imagine? I would. This was a little scalp I had last week. Um, yeah. Damn, son. Yo. Yeah, I got stopped on that trade. I lost 15 pips. Yeah, 15 pips. But the idea was pretty good, though. Direction was good. But anyways, let's see if there was a way, because you see this drop here. This was caused by news. Um, but let's see if there was a possibility to take that trade, because I know that's what you're wondering. You woke up or you saw that last night. It's like, man, what a drop! Could you plan this? I mean, can was it possible for me to take that trade? So let's see. Let's see for swing and scalp perspective. Okay, so for the swing perspective, let's take a look. Let's forget this candle because it's not closed yet. But anyways, we're still bullish here on GJ, right, on the weekly time frame. Okay, cool. So if you look on the daily, daily did broke structure though. Daily is now bearish. Okay, so now that we know that, let's take a look at 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish now since we had this break of structure. All right, so if you see this, here we're still bullish. Here we're still bullish. Here we became bearish because we broke the structure. Here we're still bullish because the low was right there, right? So we didn't broke it. So we were still bullish at that moment. But here we did break and close under. So now what you want is wait for the break, the retest here. This was my idea, for coming down, but I took it on a scalp perspective. If I would have taken on a swing perspective, I mean, I can, look lower. Oops, sorry. I can look lower for on the lower time frame to see if there was an entry possible. And I think this, after either the 2 hour or the 1 hour, let's see, 30 minute, was it the best entry? Yeah, 30 minute double bottom, double top. I mean, sorry. Yeah, no, not much. So it would have been like, you see, I was actually waiting for that engulfing candle right there, and I got stopped out. So I was looking for a swing, but if I would take for a scalp, sorry, but if I was trading this as a swing, I would be putting my stop, probably above here, pretty big stop. But if I get stopped here, it's because we broke structure to the upside. So if I'm wrong, I'm definitely wrong. And you can do a 3 2 1, you know, and this would have been hit right there. So this is one way. Now, let's say that you miss this. All right, so how can you react to this? All right, so now that you know that we become bearish, you also have this break here, All right, cool, perfect. We continue pointing down, and we got a retracement right here. We respect structure. So now let's see here if there's a way that we can take this trade. All right, so let's take a look. Let's take a look. Was it a golden zone also? From, because here we had a pullback. All right, so let's see here. From there to there. Yep, right there. So we did respect the safety net right here. So let's see. Can we find an entry here? 1 hour doesn't have an entry. 30 minute doesn't have an entry. 15 minute doesn't have an entry. 5 minute doesn't have an entry. Ah, I mean, that's a stretch. Here's a stretch. Yeah, maybe 5 minute, but I wouldn't have triggered that, in all honesty. Let's see here. Just for fun. Yeah, right here. We respect the safety net. Yeah, the engulfing candle. So that would be probably the only possible way for me to take it, but I would not trigger that. I would not trigger that. But hey, hopefully that it can help to see like how I'm actually looking at the market and see possible entries. Heavy. Oh, heavy. Sorry, I just saw your message, dude. Okay, so now let's see. Do we have something for today? Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, can we have something today? Let's see. Where am I? All right, cool. Okay, perfect. So now let's see right here on the weekly time frame. Look like we're coming down inside that golden zone on the weekly time frame. So let's establish that weekly golden zone. Perfect. Let's delete this. All right, cool. There's a big possible way here that we might form support right at this area, right? Um, let's take a look on the daily. Daily, oh, actually, daily support is right there. So yeah, right there can be a very nice possibility. Look at how well this zone was respected. Actually, I mean, look here. Nice support, support, support. Look at those wick rejection right there. Bam, 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 bam. You know, and let's see what's gonna happen today. But so far, this zone's being very well respected. And what is the odds that this zone, very well respected, is also what? Is also a freaking major QP right there. 160. Very strong level. So I would definitely expect a bounce back from there. But if we do crash under this level and we have like a break retest, this shit can continue down. But I would expect something, maybe we're gonna dip down a little bit, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna close back above, retest this, and continue up. But we'll see. You gotta trade what you see, not what you think or expect. But this is something that I'm probably gonna be looking at. Not gonna be trading for the next couple of days. Just want to take a break. Hello? Ah oui, on est mardi. Just a second. Bye. Sorry, guys. All right, so the wife was leaving. All right, cool. So that would be on the swing-ish intraday perspective. Um, what about anything else today? Let's see. 4 hour now is bearish, right? So now you see that this movement is slowing down a little bit, but we got a pretty big wick rejection on this 4 hour candle. If we do break the low here, we might continue down, but don't forget that, I mean, this is a major QP right there. We got a golden zone. This is a daily area. I mean, I wouldn't sell right here. I would personally not take any sells here. I mean, especially after a huge drop like this. I mean, you can expect a pullback at one point, right? So here on the 2 hours, you see support has been formed, engulfing candle. All right, so let's take a look on the 1 hour. 1 hour did form support, engulfing candle also. We come down here. Are we going to get a double bottom or not? We don't know yet. Look at the 30 minute still trending down. All right, so we gotta wait, man. We gotta wait. If I was trading today and looking at taking probably a scalp or something in this session, I'm probably gonna be waiting for either a 30 minute or the 1 hour to give me this kind of double bottom, retest the neckline right here, form support to push up, or literally, break retest above this area. It can be clean also. So one of those two options can be something very possible. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We need to build back the audience on this channel after a huge break. Plus, I'm about to take another like week, 2 week break for Christmas. Um, but yeah, let's see, man. Tony, howdy. How's your week so far? Yeah, I had a pretty good win yesterday. We're gonna break it down. I was not supposed to be trading, but there was a setup I broke down on. I'm pretty sure we did broke it down on last Forex Talk Over Beer. So if you didn't watch Forex Talk Over Beer last Friday night, watch it. It's in the channel. You'll see there was a setup I was actually looking for, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. All right, so let's see here. All right, so this is for GJ. So now what's next? AUDGPY. All right, so AUDGPY is the kind of same setup right here. Same drop caused by the yen news. Bam, Euro GPP here. This is something I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this. I was actually waiting for the retest of this area, but never happened so far. Anyways, so at this stage, I mean, I'm just gonna, we already pushed back up, yeah. But you see that the weekly golden zone has been respected pretty well. Yeah, nice pushback from there, but I was really expecting after the break like a retest of this area. I don't know why my zone is that Like, should be here. Um, but yeah, so I don't, at this stage, I mean, if you look at this, 4 hours just like kind of rangy. You kind of had a little break to the upside. So yeah, it's ugly right now. So not touching this shit. And yeah, so let's see here. This is the win from yesterday. A nice 3.5% win. Only risk it 1% that one. But yeah, look. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is a continuation trend trade that I actually took. All right, so basically what happened here is we're trending up right in the weekly time frame. I did trade from that push up. If you look from the past weeks, I did broke it down into Forex stock Verbier show, the wins I had on Euro GPY, and this is just continuation here. So basically, if you look on the daily, bam. All right, so daily is trending up because we did broke structure right here. Okay, so we were coming down. This was the pullback on the weekly. So this movement, this trend down, is the pullback from the weekly time frame. Right now, if I want to take it back up, I need to wait for the daily to break structure, come down, form support to push back up. I didn't wait for the support to retest on the daily. I did wait for the retest on the lower time frame. But this is exactly what I was waiting for. We had the break of structure, come down for the pullback. Now let's see on the lower time frame where I can take it to the upside. So if you look here on the 2 hours ish, no, it was on a 1 hour, was it? Or 30 minutes? Yeah, 30 minutes right there. All right, cool. Perfect. So we finally broke structure to the upside. If you look here, all right, so on the 30 minute, we're coming down, right? Here, we kind of did broke structure, but I was not looking at the market in all honesty. So that's why I didn't take it. Because if not, I would be probably taking it from this candle, from this engulfing candle. But I was not watching. And if you look at a 1 hour time frame, this is actually where we actually did broke structure to the upside. you know so basically we're coming down, boom, trying to come up, and bam, we finally broke structure right here. So wait for the pullback support to go up. If you go back on the 30 minute, this is what happened. We had the support form at the retest of this area right here. Perfect. So you see, we did break structure, like I was saying. All right, come down, retest this area also, and form support right here after the break retest, engulfing candle, take it to the upside, put stop under the support, and I can extend that stop a little bit under, but I think like 20 pip stop loss was like kind of decent. I was looking for intraday, maybe over today's trade, over today, and close it. I didn't want to be I was not even planning on trading, this week. So that's why I didn't want to extend too much. The target was this area right here. Bam. Oops. What did I do? What the hell just happened? Oh, I switched pair by accident. Whoa. My mouse is going crazy. Sorry, guys. All right, cool. So if you see here, we did trigger TP, and yeah, so it is what it is. So 3.5% of that one. So like I said, the target was right here, this area. Put a couple pips under, and you're good to go. Yeah, that's what happened. So hopefully that can help. Is there any question about that setup? Welcome to the new people. Welcome, welcome. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, and don't forget to subscribe, activate notification, because I don't have times anymore. Like I don't have specific time. It's whenever I come on my computer on Tuesday morning. It can be 7, it can be 6:30, it can be 8, it can be whatever time. So that's why you need to activate notification, because I don't have any specific time. All right, so let's take a look at gold. All right, so let's take a look at gold, 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 gold. Let's take a look at gold. Okay. Gold weekly right now is trending down. We had this double bottom at the bottom, but never came down to retest it. All right, so let's take a look at the daily. Daily is ranging right now. Daily is just like in that little box right here, ranging. Not much exciting except for this daily candle that did broke previous highs. So technically, we should continue up on that daily candle. But at the same time, we also broke structure right here. So we might be looking at a movement to the downside. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this was something I was actually looking for. I was actually looking for a break retest of this level, but never happened. I mean, we did broke, but we never retested with a nice entry possible. So whatever. So let's delete this. All right, so here we're trending down here. If you look, we were trending up. Now we switched to bearish. And here we're still bearish at the moment. So where are we gonna take it? We don't know. We respect this area right there. Let's take a look on the lower time frame. It looks good for the downside right now. It does look good. But at the same time, 1 hour, it all depends. If you want to scalp it, you definitely want to have probably 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour in sync and take your entry on the 30-minute, or you want to have 2 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, take your entry on the 15-minute. It all depends on how you do it. Personally, this is a tricky area. Let me see something here. 4 hour bearish. Okay, 4 hour bearish. 2 hour still bearish. 1 hour bullish. Yeah, I don't know. I would not take this. Yeah, if you do respect this area here, you can expect support to be bounced back and push up for a quick scalp. But yeah, no, I'm not interested. Not interested. When it's not clear, guys, don't be stubborn. Don't try to find an entry. I did that last Friday. I don't know. Like I had something in my brain that was stupid. I was actually looking for a trade because I was like, oh, this is my last day trading this year. So I kind of forced a trade like a stupid dumbass. And, so I usually don't do that anymore these days. But, whatever. Okay, so let's see here. What's going on here with GU? GU did broke structure to the upside. So yeah, so basically I was waiting for this to do this, but now it looked like we broke down under. And the worst part is I was actually waiting for this move to happen for weeks, because this is the weekly time frame, right? And finally broke up here, and I was like so mad. I was so mad. This is a monthly area also. We're rejected hard. So probably going to be start looking at sells again on this. But I need the daily to break that structure. We actually breaking as we speak. Yeah, if we can have a nice, something like this, that would be perfect. That's a nice little win on GU in the past couple of weeks. So let's see if we can have this. I'm not going to be looking at trading it because I don't want to be trading until next year. But I want to see if this is going to happen. Let's see here. Yeah, we definitely need to get out that zone. Yep. Let's see here if there's questions. Ça va, Sacha? Hey, Sharif, ça va bien, toi? Ça va très, très bien, mon ami. What are the signs you found when you're trying to force a trade, find a trade? Yeah, I mean, look, I was looking at super easy. I was looking at gold, right? And I'm trying to figure out like, can I take an entry there? Can I take an entry there? Like, is like weekly is bearish. Daily was like kind of bullish. And I'm trying to find a way to do it. It's just like right away you need to stop and switch to the next pair. It's just like fuck it. When you're trying to look for a trade and it's not obvious, stop it, move on. You know, um, that's actually one of the reason why I decided to look at more pairs. Um, I still truly believe that a beginner should focus on one pair or two pair for a certain period of time. Focus on those. But after that, when you get experience, I think it's good to have different options. Um, it will kind of stop you from forcing trades. Like if I'm looking at AU, um, and it's not obvious, like it's something I'm waiting for a retest here. This is obvious. This is perfect actually. Like I completely forgot about that pair. And I'm kind of mad right now because this I've been waiting this setup for like how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 weeks been waiting for that setup. Now it show ups and I kind of missed it. Oh, actually I didn't miss it. Okay, I understand why now. The reason why is now you see the weekly. All right, so let's break it down. Giving you some free shit, guys. All right, so if you see here, we're trending down, right? So here we got the retest of the structure. We got our lower highs, or lower highs. Yeah, lower highs. I'm always having a problem with. I don't know why I have a problem with translating that in English, but whatever. So now you want to take it down to create a new low, right? This is also inside the golden zone. We respect this. This orange line here is my safety net on the fib level. So we respected it on the T. And now if you look at the daily it was trending up. So it's trending up, right? Trending up. And now you need the switch of structure to the downside, which we just did. If you look here, we did close a tiny bit under right there. So we did broke structure to the downside. So now let's go take a look. I might be super tempted to take that trade actually. Uh, yeah, because I've been waiting for that one for so long. If you look at the 4 hour, 4 hour did switch bearish. So this is looking good. Weekly, daily, 4 hour bearish right now. So now, all right, this I'm getting excited right now. I'm getting excited. Now, if you look at the daily, not daily, sorry, 2 hours was ranging. We finally broke, bam, retest. Holy shit, man, did I miss it? Right here, let's see on a 1 hour. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, 30 minute. Okay, so far no entry. So I'm not so mad. So now at this point, I just need to wait for nice resistance to be formed. We got super clean traffic to the left after this area. But hey, man, not really. Actually, this is very. I thought. Hold on, wait a second. Is that? Oh yeah, the daily candles, clean, clean, clean. Yeah, super clean. Okay, perfect. Um, we did broke that support. All right, so now actually, man, if this 4 hour candle close engulfing like this bearish, I might take it down. I might take it down. Let's see. How big of a stop? So a 50-ish pip stop loss. Is it 55? So let's see on the daily. Where does that bring us? Okay, that's good. That's doable. That's doable. And around this support, how much is it? It's a 0.5. All right, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So if I see any problem there, I might just, because like I said, I was not planning to trade, but yeah, so let's delete that. I don't want to confuse people. I didn't take it yet. Actually, my computer is still closed to my left, so as you can see, my PC is closed. I was not planning on trading, but I might have to open up my MT4. Yeah, it's gonna be either on the 4 hour time frame or yeah, or that break and retest right here. Yeah, it's gonna be one or the other. Or third options, if we formed a low, let's say we formed a low somewhere around there. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for the golden zone to happen to push down. Yeah. All right. So I got three possible entries on this pair. Pretty exciting. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna move this thing up here. Gonna put something. Yeah. All right. Cool. Very, very, very interesting. Might have to go take my charger from my. What time is it now? Yeah, I got a meeting at 10. Okay, 8:30. Yeah. Damn. Might have to set up everything and 'cause I'm thinking I got a meeting at 10. All right, anyways, let's continue. So we were we did it, NZD USD. Let's see here. Someone NAS 100. I don't trade NAS 100. I mean, we can take a look at it, but I don't trade NAS 100. But it's all this. I mean, the execution is going to be different, but I mean, market structure is all the same at the end of the day, right? Just so, let's take a look. Let's delete all these things. All right, so the weekly is down. All right, cool. Weekly is down. Daily is down. All right, so plus we had this infamous and then shoulder here. Just for fun, you had to break and read. Oh wow, nice entry right there. But anyways, let's go back to here. Let's delete this. All right, so here we're trending down. Here, let's establish this zone right there. All right, cool. So weekly. I mean, right now, you're right in the middle of the move, right? You're right in the middle of the move. That weekly for swing, I would not touch anything except if we do come retest this area to continue the whoops, what the fuck. Sorry guys. Whatever. My arrow's a little crooked. But yeah, if we do something like this, something nice, you got clean traffic to the left side. Now as for maybe intra or swing scalp, you want to pull back. You want to pull back anyways, because right now, if you look on the 2 hour time frame, you're already in the middle of the move. Yeah, same thing here. Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour right here. You respect the safety net. You got a nice engulfing candle. You got the break. Maybe the retest on the 30-minute of this area. Yeah. Maybe the retest of this area to continue down. But right now the move's already happening, so kind of late. Nothing's possible here. You can also take it on a dogtail setup on the break of the low, but like I said, the execution is a little bit different on NAS. But yeah, for me, if it was just a regular pair, it's something I would be looking at. Probably quick scalp. The break of the low here. Putting stop above here and take it down to the support, or maybe to fill this wick. Yeah. But I will personally wait for the break and retest. Yep. So again, I don't trade NAS, so execution can be a little different, but market structure at the end of the day is the same. Price action is the same. Everything's the same. Um, you can look at any pair. It's all the same. Market structure, price action, whatever. Um, well, this is something I'm waiting for a little while. We talked about that into Forex Talk over beer too. Oh no, that was the one that we just broke down. Sorry, guys. Yeah, need to wait for this. I'm actually going to place an alert somewhere here. Bam. What about four looking good? All right, let's pair. Entity CAD, entity CAD, entity CAD, entity CAD. Is there any pair you guys want to take a look at? Because all the other one, I'm waiting. You see here, I'm waiting for retest to push up. Here, I'm not waiting for anything as we speak. Man, GA was one of my nice little pair for scalp, and this year, I don't even. I'm gonna have to look back to my history, but I think if I took if I took 5 trades during the full year of 2022 on GA, that'd be amazing. Because I don't think I took 5 trades. Just I mean, look at the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame, how rangy it was. For so long. Look at this. This was April 2022. So starting from there to there, it was just rangy, like until August. We finally have a breakdown and we move up, and after that, just like shitty price action. Like this. I think I caught some move during this move down, because it was trending nicely to the downside, but except that, I didn't took anything much. I think I took like one right around here, but that's about it. Wow, you see, I've been waiting for GN for a little while. Also, was waiting for the break and retest here. But look at GN. Look at this range. This is the daily time frame, guys. This is like, do you want to trade in this? Just like, this is a big no. Just like, it's like, get the fuck out of there. You don't want to be trading this. UDGPY. Oh, finally breaking here. Okay. And after that, as you see, man, you got this little support, and after that, we got clean traffic here. So that's something interesting. I actually had an alert, if I'm not wrong, at UDCHF. Let me place an alert here if we do retest this area. Let's see here. 4 hour. Oh, 4 hour looking good. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Man, that's beautiful. You see, that's super simple. Extra confirmation also, like if I can see something like this, yeah, definitely. Let's move up this pair. I'll be watching that one. Where was I? USD GPY weekly. So you see how simple it is. When you see, like, I looked at UDCHF for what, like literally like a minute or two, whatever. When it's obvious, it's obvious. When you're looking and trying to find trades and dig and trying to, oh man, how can I take my get the fuck out of there. You're gonna lose your money, guys. Stop trying to force trades. Don't do like me last Friday. I was so dumb. Ooh, are we gonna break structure here? Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see if we break. Because now, so far, the daily is up, the weekly is up, daily is down, obviously, because this is the pullback from the weekly. So we had to move up. Now we need to pull back down, and so that's why the daily um is bearish, right? If I want to take it up, I need to wait for the daily to flip bullish, retest this, and continue up, right? But now 4-hour is bearish also. So now we got 4-hour daily bearish. So if weekly flip bearish, now we got weekly, daily, 4-hour bearish, and I can start looking at entries on 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, on the retest of this area. Interesting. You see, this is nice. You see, this is nice. Very nice, my friend. Very nice. Let's take a look here. What other pair? Yeah, here I'm waiting for the retest here. Is the cat whatever cat GPY? No, yeah, I'm waiting still. And that's about it. Any other pair you guys want to take a look? Let's go see GJ. GJ, what's happening with GJ? So what time is it now? Oh, it's okay. So this is our 1 hour candle. So it's 8:40. Let's take a look at the last 30 minute. Last 30 minute close, small body candle. With a huge ass rejection to the downside. We're still respecting the support. This 2 hour candle already broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically we should continue up, like we should continue up. We're probably gonna have this pullback now to the upside. So it can be good for a quick scalp. But we still need to wait. Like if this 4 hour candle close bullish engulfing, that would be pretty nice. And I think he can use the dogtail setup on the 4 hour on the next one. Yeah, but so far, I mean, I don't want to take it down. Like I'm gonna re-explain for people who just join in. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Like I explained earlier, I mean, we are right in this golden zone. We're right at this major QP. So for me, I would not take any short. It's way too risky for me. I'm gonna wait to take it to the upside, or if you do break retest under 160, um, for shorts, and that's about it. Man, I love doing those breakdowns. Hopefully it helped a couple people. Um, let's see here. I'm more interested in breakout trades. This is what I struggle with. Any tips, advice? Breakout trades, I stay the fuck away. I don't trade breakouts. I lost way too much money on breakouts. Yeah. If there's a break and retest, that's a different story. But just purely breakout, I am staying the fuck away. Far, 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 super far away, man. Like I see a breakout trade, I'm going like this. I'm like, fuck it. Fuck that shit, bro. Yeah, breakout trades, no. Too much fake outs. You trade a lot of pairs? Not really. I mostly focus on GJ, gold, and GA for scalp, and the other ones is swing. Um, like you saw in my breakdowns, you see that sometimes I wait for weeks. So that's why I look at different pairs. Because let me tell you, they don't show up all at the same time. And I think that's the benefit of it, is to have different option. But I still truly believe, because I've been preaching that for a long time, but I'm still saying that a new person coming to the FX industry should focus on 1 to 2 pairs for a little while, and after that, with experience, start looking at different stuff, different pairs. But that's just my vision. I'm not saying I'm right, I'm wrong, whatever the fuck. This is how I'm thinking. And so I'm not saying I'm right, I'm just saying this is my thought. But yeah, so The other pairs are mostly for swing. And yeah, sometimes I gotta wait weeks, months, for the setup to show up. So that's why, just to give you an example, like this, let's see here, like this one I'm waiting for right now. It's been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, more than that, because that's when we broke. So once we broke here, I waited for the pullback. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks so far. I've been waiting for that setup to show up. That's what you call fucking patience. Uh, and let me tell you, when I started, I had no patience whatsoever. I would never, but that's why I'm actually also looking at other pairs, because I don't want to be sitting in front of that pair for like 13 weeks, 14 weeks, and just waiting for that one to show up, right? So that's why I'm looking at the other pairs. I don't know if it makes sense, but hopefully it does for you guys. Hey, what's up, Joe? How you doing? Um, Looking for shorts below 1798.70. What did we say about gold? Yeah, gold was, yeah, no, I don't like gold today. It's just like I don't like it. I'm not interested. Um I don't know. We're right here, at the weekly resistance. I don't know, man. The weekly technically still bearish. So that's good. But the daily is kind of fucked up. Was bullish, and now we just broke under that low, so we're bearish. So yeah, so you got a weekly to daily bearish, you got a 4 hour right now bearish also. Yeah, I think if you have a nice support, not support, but resistance form, um, that can be good. We respect this area, so that's good. Um, and you're looking under what? 1798. 1798. That's right here. All right, at the break of the low of that 1 hour, that can make sense. You had a nice engulfing candle right here. You got the break. Now you're about to get the retest. Yeah. Yeah, for me, like if you have like a 15 or 30 minute resistance form around this area, that's something, that in a regular time I would probably gonna be in, right? Which is also, if you look on the 30 minute, this is probably also gonna be the golden zone if I'm not wrong. Yeah, right on it, right on it. Yeah, I'm not making this up, guys. Cheesy right there. Bam. All right, so yeah, you're right in that golden zone. So personally, I will not. I would actually wait for a break and retest. They can trade a little higher. But this is fucking. This is painful. This is painful because I mean, if you look here, we respected this. Let's put it. So if you see here, we rejected this 1800 key level. So, oops, very strong, very strong. We got to be careful here. But that's why if you take it up here, it's going to be better because under 1798, you're going to be already down there. You already at, I don't know, man. You're going to be right at this support. I don't know. I don't like it personally. Not say it's not going to work. I personally say I would not trigger that. But hey, it's your trading plan, right? So don't do anything I say. Do what you have planned. I'm just here to answer questions, trying to help you guys see maybe a little bit more clear. Um, yeah, that's about it. What time is it? 7:45, 8:45, 8:45. 8:45, baby. 8:45. Hey, make sure to smash that like button, guys, as you come in. We're about to close this because I need to get ready. Yeah, let's see. My dog scratching my door like there's no tomorrow right now. Da- 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 da. All right, so you guys know what I would be looking for. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. So seriously, any questions? You guys are very quiet, very very quiet. What do you guys have planned for the holidays? Anything special? Family gathering, travel? I'm curious. On my end, it's gonna be super relaxed. Small family gathering. I got a party at my house on the 31st, but it's not gonna be a big party. A couple friends over, you know. Um, Puis après ça, au coin, t'as 44. Il est tout seul. Bon, that's fun. Look like the kid missed the bus. Shit. All right, so I'm gonna have to go, guys. I'm gonna have to drop him at the school. All right, guys. So thank you so much for being here. This is the last stream of the year. C'est clair qu'ils ont changé quelque chose. Okay, sorry, guys. So basically, last stream of the year. Probably gonna do a Forex talk over beer Friday just for fun. Actually, Friday is the 23rd. Should we do an X-Max Forex talk over beer? Like just for fun and break down charts during the week? Just to have a little chit chat all together? Should we do that? All right, so I'll see. Merry Xmas. Thank you, Joe. So yeah, we'll see. We might do a X-Max special little get together on Forex Talk over beer. Thank you very much for being here today, guys. Very appreciate. And I see you. Yeah, I'm going to do a little something on Friday night. All right. So take care, guys. Have an amazing day. Ciao. Peace out.